Okay, let's go.
This model kit started its life out as a 1973 Datsun 510 little sedan. I transformed it into a post-apocalyptic mini truck. I did quite a few modifications, as you can see. I gave it a serious overhaul. Chopped the back half of the car off and made a truck bed for it. Okay, let's take a look at this 50 cal and the gunner seat. So the 50 cal I purchased off Etsy. It was 3D printed and it came with the dual setup and this little pivoting pin. I made the ammo boxes, the ammo box holders, and the spotlight to mount to it. The skull here that's tied to the gun is a real bat skull. So a quick story, when me and my wife moved into our current house, it had been abandoned for a few years and it needed a lot of work. So as we were fixing the house up, the upstairs bathroom window had a dead bat and it had been there a long time. And so I adorned him on top of the 50 cals. He looks great there. I think I gave him a cool resting place. He can be forever known and forever seen. The gunner has 2 more ammo boxes, so a total of 4 ammo boxes. They get up there off that little stool. There's a little step stool under there. So we're gonna take these off so we can get a better view. The 50 cal comes off very easy. Just a pin that's in that hole that I've made a bracket for. And the seat is pretty easy to take off. Just a little bar that holds this. And let's take a look under the hood. It's got a metal frame holding it shut with a padlock. It's got some heavy duty hinges here. It actually works. Intake for the engine. I used the stock engine. I figured this hood wouldn't be open that often, although it would have looked really cool with a big blower sticking out of the hood. Did some damage to the side. The BRE 510 has fender flares on it. I made it as if this fender flare was tore off with the holes showing, and made it as if the parking light had been broken out. Rusted. This is an old model. It used to have, I remember it used to have a step you could get in. I guess that's been busted off. This was the old trunk. I just hinged it with styrene pin. Made it as if the tail light was busted out. Put this fence-like material on here. It's tied on. Expose the gas cap as if the door was busted off. So since this is a post-apocalypse world, you've got your gas cans for keeping your extra gas. You can see the gas cans are strapped down to a bracket on the floor. The 5-gallon bucket, I don't remember what I made that out of, but we got a little handle on it. You recycle everything, so you're making your own shell casings or making your own ammo, so you're gonna save all your ammo casings. There are spent casings all over the truck. There's a toolbox, baseball bat with spikes on it. I don't think it's attached here. Here we go. Little baseball bat with spikes. Pipe, rope, all the stuff you'd need. The front window, yeah, I went to town on that. You know, I don't know what I was thinking, but it looks cool, but at the same time, it's kind of ridiculous. So it's like blinds and they go up and down. Here, this window's open, but it's attached with a chain. You see the chain here? And it goes up, the chain goes through there. And it's supposed to go like if the driver could pull them shut, or the passenger could pull them shut. All right. Got your step to get in. Still has the springs. I made these heat exchangers under here. I don't know what they would be for, but they look kind of cool. More air intakes up under there. I added that. There's the undercarriage. Didn't do anything crazy there. Leaky oil from the diffs. The window guard on the driver's side is pinned on. It's pinned in place. I think it's... Oh, there we go. You can see the pins go into the holes, so if you want to display it with that off, you can. The chain on the rear bumper is quite long, and there's a small hook that I made that hooks onto the rear latch here, the rear bracket. I had a scale model tank that I took apart, and these rims are actually off that tank. It was a M41 Walker Bulldog, and those are the wheels off that tank. They fit perfectly into these tires. That finishes the 510 pickup truck. Let me know what you think in the comments. Should I have put a V8 with a blower sticking out of the hood? Maybe a V6? That would have looked cool, right? If you enjoyed this video, please click the like and subscribe buttons. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.